Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. So it's my pleasure to come your way with a good video. Now on this platform, our content is all about software development, programming. So if you're a programmer or a software developer who is into Python, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, this is the right place for you. Now today, this video is all about Java. We're going to teach you how you can be able to insert an image into your Java GUI application or GUI form. That's the string GUI or graphical user interface of your application. Just like what you are seeing on the screen here, this is the GUI of our application in Java. Now we want to insert an image here, right here on this string form here. So we are going to teach you how you can do that on this platform. But before we get into that, please, if you are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, share our content to those who are also in need of this content so that we can reach a wider range of people who can also benefit from this video as well. Now with this said, let's get straight into the video. So this form or application, or we can say the graphical user interface of our application here has two aspects. That is the login side and then create an account side here. So if you are already a member of this our platform, you can enter your username here and then your password to be able to log into your account. Or if you are new, you can click on create account, then you'll be able to fill in your name and then select where you are from, and also be able to also browse through a list of files on your PC. That is a picture text field. So you can be able to add a picture, and then afterwards you can also click on the submit button to submit whatever you have done to create a new account. So with this said, now we want to add an image on this our form here. So let's see how we'll be able to do that here. Now to be able to add an image onto your form, we have to go to the form section. That is, this is the form aspect where we normally design our graphical user interface. So when you come to this section, there are so many things that you can use to be able to design your GUI form here. So but to be able to add an image, we use the J label to be able to do that. So all you need to do is to come to this section, as this aspect here, and look for what we call J label. This is J label here. Then you just drag and drop the J label at the place where you want to add the image. So I'm going to drag and drop this J label and drop it here. So you right click and drag and drop it here. So this is where I want to add the image. So I'll leave it here at the center here. So now I can decide to label it any name I want, and then the text field is going to be an image. So I can decide to leave the field name, and then I can also label it any name I want here. So in the text aspect, this is where I label it the name I want to give my image. So let's say my image is going to be an image of Ronaldo, right? So I can just say Ronaldo. So this is what my image name will be. Then the next thing, for instance, I don't have the image on my PC already, so I want to download the image from my browser. So I'll go to my browser and then search for an image of Ronaldo or any person I want, or even if you have it on your PC, you can also do that as well. So I'm just gonna search for the image of Ronaldo. So I'm just gonna do that here, and then we are going to download this image and then place it onto our GUI form. So let me open one of these images, and then I'll right click and then save this image the name I want. It's always advisable to save it a short name where you can always remember or write it easily. So I'm RT, then let's open it and see. Okay, so this is good. So this is the image we are going to place inside our GUI. So I'm just going to copy, drag and drop this image into our image I mean into our source file. That is on our IntelliJ. So I'll go back to the IntelliJ where our code is. Then I'll come into the source file here. So we are going to drag and drop the image onto the source file. So this is the image. I'll put it on my desktop so that I can be able to drag and drop it onto my IntelliJ code. So now I'll drag and drop it into the source file here. So this is where I want to move it into. So I'll leave it and then click on refactor. So this is our image. It's saved inside the source file. That is the src. Now what we want to do is to go back to the JLabel here. So this is the JLabel that we've drag and drop into the GUI. Now we look for what we call icon. So this is the icon here. Then you go to the icon folder, you click on it. Then you click on the our application name or the project name. Then you can see here, right here, we have the image inside the source file. So you just click on the image and then you click on OK. So the image will be what? Placed inside the GUI form. So you can see the image has appeared. Now let's refresh or run this application once again to see whether this is right or not. So run it again. Wait a while for it to process. So you can see we have placed the image of Ronaldo into our GUI form here. We can also set the alignment of this image to center, left, right, top, and bottom. Anyhow we want to set it, we can do that. So this is simple how you can place an image into your GUI, the Swing GUI font in Java. So I thank you for coming to the platform. Remember, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe, give us a like, and share this content to those who are in need of this content. Now, if you are new and you don't know how to use the GUI um, form or how you can create a GUI form, a GUI application, let me know in the comment section so that I can help you. I've done a video all about how to create a GUI form using IntelliJ and Java language. So if you are new, let me know so that I can help you through this process. Thank you for coming to the platform once again, and I'm hoping to see you in our next video. Love you.